Drop sensor and motherboard removal. Machine power failure. Open the glass door and lift the L-shaped plank. Note the light line under the board at the hole. After lifting the board slightly, remove the light wire connections. Remove 4 screws to remove the drop sensor. Drop sensor installation tutorial. Motherboard disassembly. Remove the connecting cable from the motherboard. Toggle outward to unplug the power cord. Please don't remove it by force. Unscrew the 5 screws that hold the motherboard in place. Installation steps. Connect the wires and tighten the screws.